Hello everyone, this is Nora.
This is Tina.
We are from
Shimai.
We are screw supplier. Our main products are drywall screws, self-drilling screws, self-tapping screws, chipboard screws, and so on.
Yes, we are also a one-stop hardware supplier. We can also supply bolts, nuts, washers, studs, beads, and so on hardware tools. Now, me and Nora will introduce one of our main products, drywall screw to you. Drywall screw, also called gypsum board screw, black screw. According to the thread difference, it can be fine thread and coarse thread. They are both Phillips drive and bugle head. The fine thread drywall screw generally used to penetrate the metal plate. The coarse thread drywall screw used to penetrate the wood. The fine thread penetrates 1.2 mm metal plate to 1.5 mm metal plate. Okay, according to the surface, it can be black phosphated, gray phosphated, zinc plated, nickel plated. You can see their difference. According to the material, it can be carbon steel and stainless steel. Now, let me introduce its production process to you. First, the raw material is C1022, and then we will make its head, and then thread it to be sharp tips. Then we will make it to be hardened, that is heat treatment, and then surface treatment, black phosphated, gray phosphated, zinc plated, or nickel plated. Then the perfect drywall screw is produced. Welcome your inquiry.